Welcome to Think, Build, Test. Today we're going to be addressing one of the concerns that you have addressed.
Don't do that.
We're going to add a ventilation system to our pit so that we don't get suffocated by heavy gases. So to mitigate these heavy gases, we're going to be installing this inline duct to be pumping air out anytime the lights are on in the pit. I chose this fan because it's low amperage, it'll be quiet, and it can just be doing its work in the background, sucking that easy to pump air. If you're not aware, gases are just like water and oil. The heavier thing goes to the bottom, so if you create a space or a hole, we call this like a confined space, then all of the exhausts and heavy airs like nitrogen are going to saturate that low spot without any kind of an air to stir it up. So we'll be sucking out the heavy gases from the bottom to a vent outside, and then that'll allow new fresh air to be coming and drawing into the pit continuously. Okay, so down in the pit, we have some space requirements and we have some electrical requirements. I think what I'm trying to do is to navigate most of my plumbing of electrical and sump pump line and air on this wall over here. So I had some 4-inch PVC laying around. I'm going to take this flanged end and I've got this cut to the height of my electrical receptacle. That way that my pump line can be as short as possible. Then I'll be able to take my pump and drop it in this way. Then I can have my next piece of pipe over that. Reason number 3,450 for owning a multi-tool. So now we need to find a way to create a gap at the bottom. So we'll just use these clamps, drill a hole, mount them to the wall. From there, we can kind of adjust the height based on our best airflow needs. We're all mounted up, here and here. It's definitely noticeable in the background. And if we're doing projects down here, I might turn it off. As far as an annoyance, it's not too bad. Okay, so previous to setting up this vent system, what I was doing to keep myself safe was, before I'd come down and do any digging or anything, I was setting up a box fan up here, like so. And I would just let that convection airflow pump fresh air down in the hole for about 10 minutes before I got down here to do any digging or work. Okay, so now it's time for us to take and vent this air to the outside. I have a couple of reasons that I need to do a vent to the outside, so I'm going to install this 6-inch. The other reason I need a vent to the outside is because I have a portable air conditioner I want to put in my shop, and I want to be able to blow it down in the pit and also in this bay. So it comes with a 6-inch tube, so I need a 6-inch outlet for that. So I found this square bucket that they sell. It's got a nice snap-on lid. So if stuff gets in there, I'll be able to clean it out. Okay, so let's get this vent installed. we have our portable air conditioner hooked up to our tube. Its exhaust is there. Okay, so who's ready for the smoke show? I mean, not me, but it's time for a test. Let's see how good our vent system does by blowing a little smoke. Okay, for the first test, we're just gonna see how long this fog just hangs out without any filtration at all. So we'll just start a timer, see how long it lasts. So that was 10 minutes and not much has changed. Let's do a 10-minute comparison. I'm gonna puff a little more smoke in there, make sure that we're back to standard, and we'll see how long 10 minutes with the pump does. Say hello to my little friend. Well, hi! Okay, let's start our 10-minute timer. All right, so that 10 minutes is up. Let's take a peek at this, what it looks like with the lights back off and the vent off to see. But I think clearly you can see the stairs a lot better than you could before without the vent. It's definitely doing some work, and this is gonna help pump out those heavy gases out of the bottom, which will bring good new oxygen down from up high and give it a good mix and keep us safe and healthy while we're down in the pit. So let me know what you think. Was this a fun video? You like the smoke effects? I enjoyed it. It was fun for me. I'm gonna be glad to have air conditioning and ventilation in here, and appreciate all of y'all who made recommendations on the ventilation. Trying to look out for us on the channel, and that's what it's all about. But we'll catch y'all on the next video as we continue this frame build. We're still in progress. We'll see you there.